Prepare 2 squares with 1 large and 1 small, folded into 3 equal parts, respectively. Cut the small squares at 4 corners into trapezoids. Stick double-sided tape on each trapezoid. The trapezoid and square are glued together. To form 2 small boxes without a lid, cut out 2 narrow and long pieces of paper. 2 narrow and long pieces of paper are glued together at an angle of 90 degrees, folded crosswise. To form a spring, use this spring to connect the body and head, and add some small details. It's done!